Every week you are doing the same thing. You open up Claude, you ask it to pull your data, it builds you a nice looking dashboard, and then you close it, and then you come back the next day and it's already outdated. You then prompt it again and it burns through all of your tokens. It redoes everything from scratch. Now, that's not necessarily a workflow. That sounds more like a chore. What you actually want is to open Claude in the morning and have everything already there. Your emails, your calendar is laid out, your analytics are updated. There's no prompting, no refreshing. Everything is just done for you. Now, ANTHROPIC just made that possible. They launched live artifacts inside Claude Cowork. And what these things can do is genuinely insane. Dashboards that stay connected to your real apps, and it updates automatically every single time you open them. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, and we are going to be building 2 live dashboards on screen, including one built specifically for creators. Now let's get into it. Now also, I do want to mention, if you want our complete prompts, our templates, our guides, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you check out our free school community. It is a link down in the description below, and it already has 24,000 members building alongside us, and you want to join them. Now let's get into it. Okay, cool. So let me explain what actually changed here, because this is so important. Old artifacts were snapshots. You close the window and then they simply just die. Every Monday, you have to re-ask Claude the same 3 questions about your business. Then it regenerates the same report and you have to start from zero every single time. Now, live artifacts are very different. You build it once, you reopen it anytime, and Claude pulls fresh data from your connected apps and it rebuilds the page on the spot. There's no reprompting, there's no regenerating, there's no starting from over. And here is something that almost nobody is mentioning. Every live artifact saves to a dedicated tab with a full version history. You can roll back, you can fork it, you can iterate on it, you can do whatever you want. It behaves like a real product. The simplest way that I can basically put this is it's a mini web app that lives inside Claude and never goes stale. Now let me show you what this looks like with the morning briefing, because once you see one, the whole thing makes so much sense. So you open up Claude and then you go to Cowork and you head to the Live Artifacts tab. Now I'm connecting to Gmail and Google Calendar, and if the app that you need to build is not built in, you can simply just connect it through the Zapier MCP and Claude can pull from that one too. Now, once those connectors are in the right place, you give Claude one prompt. So you can say, build me a strong morning briefing that pulls my unread emails, today's calendar, and also top priorities into one view. Okay, that sounds simple enough. And then Claude builds the artifacts for you and it keeps it connected to those apps. So every single morning when I now open it, my unread emails are already there, my calendar is already laid out for me, and my priorities are already surfaced on one page. You see, I'm not actually asking Claude to regenerate anything. I'm not refreshing the page. I'm not rebuilding the whole dashboard every single morning. All I have to do is I just have to open it and then it's already updated. And that's the whole point. This is not a static dashboard. Claude made it once and now it stays live. Now, if you are looking to add some stunning elements into your business dashboards or build visuals for your brand, then Higgsfield is the strongest all-in-one creative tool available right now. They've got GPT Image 2 built in, which is still one of the best image models if you care about clean, high-end visual quality. I've been using it for a lot of the frames that you are already seeing here, and the consistency is genuinely so solid. Then, what about the video? For the video side, they've got integrated CDANs, which has been one of the most impressive motion models that I've been testing lately. And the movement feels smoother, the shots hold together better, and it's much stronger at keeping things consistent from frame to frame, which is where most video models always fall apart. Now on top of that, they've got Cinema Studio 3.5, which is built for more polished cinematic outputs. This is the model that you use when you want the final result to actually feel like a finished shot, not just some AI clip. That's really the advantage that you get with Higgsfield. You can generate the image, you can animate it, and you can push it into a more polished cinematic render all in one place without bouncing between 3 different tools trying to stitch the workflow together. It makes the whole process way faster and honestly a lot cleaner. The link is down in the description below, so make sure that you check it out if you want to level up your creative game. But right now, let's talk about the thing that almost nobody is covering right now. You can share a live artifact with a client, a teammate, or your entire agency, and they use their own Claude subscription to run it. There's no API keys, there's no cost to you. Whether it helps 10 people or 10,000, sharing is completely free. Now let's discuss some use cases, okay? So let me show you 3 live artifacts that you can build right now. So the first one is an ad spend tracker. So if you run paid ads, then this one is definitely going to be a no-brainer for you. You can connect Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads, and then you can pull the spend, the revenue, the ROAS, and top campaigns all in one live dashboard. Claude can normalize it, that can compare all of the performance across the channels, and it can surface what actually has changed since yesterday. So instead of logging into 3 different ad accounts every single morning and piecing the story together yourself, you can just open up one dashboard and Claude already has the answer waiting for you. The second one is a weekly content pipeline tracker, and this one is the one that I'd build first if you are running any kind of content at any kind of scale. So you can connect Notion, your Airtable, or Google Sheets, and then you pull in what's in draft, and then what's scheduled, what's overdue, and what's missing assets, and then you let Claude flag what's blocked and what needs attention this week. So instead of digging through your messy content board trying to figure out what's slipping, you open one view and instantly you know where the bottleneck is. And then the third one is an e-commerce KPI dashboard. So you can connect your Shopify and your ad platforms. You can pull in daily revenue, you can pull in the conversion rate, an average order value, a CAC, or your top products, whatever you want. And then you can let Claude give you daily readings on what has changed, what's driving the revenue, and what needs your attention right now. So instead of opening up 5 tabs and taking a lot of time to go through all of it, you just open up one dashboard and then you get the whole picture in about 10 seconds. Every one of these works the exact same way. You connect the tools, you pull the data into one place, and then you simply just let Claude do all of the thinking on top of it, and it's going to make your life so much easier. Cool, so here's what Anthropic is not putting in the headline. First, this requires a paid plan, the Pro, the Max, the Team, or the Enterprise plans. So if you are on the free tier, you are pretty much locked out. That is just the reality about all of this. So second, if you are using this with a team, then every single person needs to authenticate their own MCP server connections. It does not carry over. So your setup does not become their setup. Each teammate does it independently. Now, let me zoom out for a quick little second because I think people are underselling what just happened. So, Bloomberg Terminal, $24,000 a year per seat. That is what professionals pay for a live, always-on data terminal that keeps them connected to the information that they need to make decisions. Claude just built that in 30 seconds from a prompt. Live artifacts turn Claude into a live dashboard engine. Bloomberg should be nervous right now. Tableau should be nervous. And you should be building. And if you are not yet subscribed, then please do that right now. And since you made it till the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you liked the video, so give this video a like, and also turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another video. And remember, Anthropic is shipping fast, and I am covering every major release as it drops. So I'll catch you on the next one.